In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Firebase app distribution. By the end, you'll know how to navigate the Firebase console, upload a build, share it with testers using invite links, manage your tester list and groups, and document the work you want those testers to perform using test cases and imports. I'll move step by step and add context so you understand not just what to click, but why it matters. Start by opening the Firebase console in your browser and selecting the project that contains your mobile app. If you work in multiple environments, make sure you're in the correct project before you proceed. On the left-hand navigation, find the Run section. This is where Firebase groups tools that help you ship, monitor, and iterate quickly during development. Click Run, then choose App Distribution. This takes you to the area dedicated to distributing pre-release builds to testers. From here, head into the Releases view. This is your hub for creating and managing releases that testers can install. To create a new release, drag and drop your Android build file onto the page. You can use an APK or an AAB if you're following modern publishing practices. If you choose an AAB, Firebase will prompt you to link with Google Play so it can handle app signing and distribution correctly. Follow the on-screen guidance to complete that link if you haven't done it before. Once it's set up, you won't have to repeat it for subsequent AAB uploads. After you drop the file in, Firebase processes the build and prepares it for distribution. Depending on the size of the file, that may take a moment. While you're there, it helps to include clear release notes and make sure your build version and code are set meaningfully in your build system, so testers and stakeholders can track what changed between releases. Good notes save a lot of back and forth later. Now that your release exists, you'll want a simple way to get testers on board. Navigate to invite links. Invite links are shareable URLs that allow testers to self-enroll. Click Create Invite Link and let Firebase generate a link you can safely share with your internal users or trusted external testers. This is particularly useful for onboarding a larger group without manually adding each person up front. You can always disable or rotate a link later if you need to control access more tightly. Next, go to Testers and Groups. This view lets you manage individual testers and organize them into groups, which is invaluable if you have different cohorts like QA, product, or design. Click Add Tester to include someone directly. You'll typically add them by email and they'll receive an invitation to join testing. Remind your testers that they'll need to accept the invitation, sign in with their Google account, and follow the guided steps from Firebase to install builds on their devices. Organizing testers into groups makes it easy to target specific audiences with certain releases without reconfiguring everything each time. With your distribution pathways set, guide your testers on exactly what to verify. Click into Test Cases. This area is designed to help you define scenarios that testers should follow, align expectations, and collect more structured feedback. Start by creating a new test case. Give it a clear title, describe the steps a tester should take, and specify the expected results so testers know when something is working as intended. This reduces ambiguity and speeds up triage because reports will align with the scenarios you've documented. If you already maintain a list of scenarios elsewhere, you don't have to recreate them one by one. Use import test cases to bring them in bulk. Make sure your file matches the format Firebase expects so fields like title, steps, and expected outcomes map correctly. After importing, give the list a quick review to confirm everything looks right. That's the flow. You went to the Firebase console, opened app distribution under Run, created a release by uploading your build, generated an invite link, managed testers and groups, and documented what you want tested with test cases and imports. Keep your build versions consistent, write clear release notes, and maintain tidy tester groups. With this setup, you'll ship test builds faster, get higher quality feedback, and move confidently toward production.